Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah. In this video, I'm going to be doing a review of the Moxie Lash Magnetic Liner and Magnetic Lashes. So if you're interested, keep watching and let's do it. Alright guys, let's see what we got. I got a whole box of goodies to look at. So let's see what we got. This looks like Moxielash pre-moistened olive and castor oil cotton swabs for easy removal of Moxielash magnetic eyeliner. So they give you those. I got a bunch of these Moxie lashes. This one says Sassy Lash. I like how they sealed. I am on the hunt for the best magnetic liner and the best magnetic lashes because I hate glue. These are super pretty. These are the Sassy Lash. Let's see. We got the Baby Lash. So pretty. Another one of these cleaners, Cheeky Lash. So I like real simple lashes, nothing too dramatic. Another Sassy Lash, Classy Lash. Do we see the Classy Lash? No, so this is the Classy Lash. I like these, those are really pretty. Not your dramatic, just right. Let's see. Bunch of these cleaners. It also has a guide. It tells you how to apply. It says swipe magnetic eyeliner along your lash line. Let it dry for 3 minutes. Grab your new magnetic eyelash style and lay it next to your lash line. Your lashes will instantly hug the liner and lock into place. And then they sent me 2 Moxielash liquid magnetic eyeliner. I'm guessing this was in brown. Oh, I like that. And then this one is in black. So 2 liners. And that's all that's in the box. So let's try this. I always recommend that you apply magnetic lashes with something with a rubber tip or a plastic applicator. You do not want to use metal because it's going to stick. You don't want to use a metal tweezer because it's going to stick to that lash and pull. So what it says is, it says swipe magnetic eyeliner along your lash line, let it dry for 3 minutes. So we're going to do what it says. Sassy Lash looks really sassy to me. Those look a little bit too dramatic. I mean, I can cut them and use them on the ends, but I think I'm going to try Baby Lash today. Baby Lash. They're all really pretty. I'm going to do the Baby Lash. So this is the Baby Lash. It says 30 reusable all-day wears, so I guess you could reuse them up to 30 times. Cruelty-free. I think I'm going to choose the brown liner. So right off the bat, it does look super thick and chunky, but I am not going to say anything about that because one of the last lashes that I used, the liner was like that, and it was like the best liner. So I am not going to complain. I mean, the tip is, this is what it looks like. It's real chunky. Let's try it. Not the best applicator, but I've been doing like applying my eyeliner before and then putting this on top, and that's really working out. I want to make sure that I'm twisting it, making it flexible so it's not too stiff. So it does have 5 magnets on these. Some of these companies are actually tell you to not let the liner dry completely, but this one says to let it dry, so that's what I'm doing. So it's been 3 minutes. Let's see how they work. Some close-ups. So overall, my final thoughts, I don't know, I would think I would still have to wear these to see the longevity of how long they wear. But overall, I really like these lashes from Moxielash. I like the glue. I have to definitely try these for the applicators for removal. But overall, the experience of the easiness of to apply the lashes was a lot better than some that I've tried. Overall, this is one of the best magnetic lashes and magnetic liners that I've tried so far. The quality is there. The ease of application is there. Usually some of these lashes, it drives me nuts trying to apply them. I gotta keep sticking them on, putting a little bit at the edge, sticking them on. These feel like they're stuck and they're staying and they're not gonna budge. So I like that. So alright guys, this is the end of the review. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that bell for upcoming videos because I have a lot of these lash videos coming your way. Alright guys, y'all have a blessed day.